Hi everybody, welcome to Washington Heights. Today I'll be showing you a really nice two-bedroom apartment with an open plan kitchen in Broadway Avenue. Let's walk around. We are right at the entrance, and this place just got new hardwood floors, pocket lights, AC units in every room, and even a dry and washer. Let's walk around. To our left, the first bedroom. A queen size bed can fit very well in here. Let's see the closet. It is a very spacious closet. To our left, the bathroom. Everything in this apartment is brand new. Right in front of us, just one closet. If we open this door to our left, we're going to see the dry and washer. In front of us is the living area. This apartment is an open plan kitchen, which means that the living area is integrated with the kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen got stainless steel appliances, all brand new, a dishwasher, and plenty of cabinet space. It also has a brick wall and enough space for a table and a couch. This part of the apartment is facing Broadway. Now let's take a look to the last bedroom. This one is bigger than the first that we just previously saw. Also with the AC unit and a very spacious closet. And right here, we are going to see one more closet. Yes, this apartment got plenty of space for storage. This apartment is in a walk-up building. It is pretty close to the A train, just a couple of blocks away. If you have any questions about this apartment, please just let us know. We'll be very happy to assist you. My name is Adri Ruiz, and thank you so much for taking time and watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your day.